Students, phylum Mollusca. Phylum Mollusca is with animals. These animals are unsegmented schizophylomates. Body is not divided into segments like earthworm belongs from the phylum Annelida. Schizophylomates. Which type of the coelom present in these animals? That is schizophyllum formed by splitting of the mesoderm layer. Formed by splitting. These are the animals shows the body cavity or the coelom that is formed by splitting of the mesoderm into two layers. Okay, the type of the coelom is schizophyllum. Which animal shows schizophyllum? That is schizophylomates. Molluscans are unsegmented schizophylomates. It is the second largest phylum. Okay, student. First largest phylum is phylum Arthropoda. Next, these animals are terrestrial animals, and also terrestrial means lives on land surface, and these animals are aquatic, also lives in water, marine water, fresh water. Next, these animals are bilaterally symmetrical animals, shows bilateral symmetry. Snail is asymmetrical. Snail does not show any type of the symmetry. Snail is asymmetrical. Body covered by calcium carbonate shell. Body covered by calcium carbonate shell. Entire the body surface is covered with calcium carbonate shell, calcium carbonate hard substance, that is called shell. It is the shell is internal in some animals. It is external, present outside of the body in some animals. In some molluscans, shell is absent. Next, body is divided into three parts. Which are the three parts? First one is head, second one is muscular foot, third one is visceral mass. Okay, student, it is the head. Second one, first one is the head. Second one, muscular foot. It is the muscular foot, helps in locomotion. Next, visceral mass. It is the visceral mass. It is the body plan of the molluscan. It is the diagrammatic arrangement that shows the body plan of the molluscans. Okay, it is the first part, head. It is the second one, fruit. It is the second one, foot. That is muscular foot made up with the muscle. And the third one, it is the visceral mass. It is the visceral mass. Okay, student. Next, mantle. What about the mantle? It is the visceral mass. It is the visceral mass, student. Visceral mass, it is the matter in the inner part of the body. It is provides space, location for the arrangement of the presentation of the different internal organs. That is the visceral mass. Okay, visceral mass, it is the visceral mass covered with the soft spongy layer. Visceral mass covered with the soft spongy layer. Soft spongy layer, that is called mantle. Visceral mass covered with the soft spongy layer of the skin, that is called mantle, also called pallium. And it secretes shell. It secretes shell. Outer surface of the body is with the calcium carbonate shell, that is secretes by pallium or the mantle. It is the shell, student. It is the shell. Okay, below the shell there is a mantle. Below the mantle there is a visceral mass. Below the visceral mass there is a muscular foot. Okay, it is the head. Next, under mantle cavity. What about the mantle cavity? There is a space between the visceral mass and the mantle. For example, it is the visceral mass. Okay, student, it is the visceral mass. Mantle cavity, the space between the visceral mass and the mantle. The space between the visceral mass and the mantle. This is the space. Okay, student, the space between the visceral mass and the mantle, that is called mantle cavity. Mantle cavity. Mantle cavity is the space between visceral mass and the mantle. Okay. Next, mantle cavity is also shows the gills, also called ctenidia. Gills also called ctenidia. Gills present in the molluscans, also called ctenidia, which is helps in respiration or the exchange of the gases. Okay, student, these are called ctenidia. Why these are the gills called ctenidia? These are the comb like, these are the shows, these are the structure shows comb like arrangement, comb like structures with fine filaments. Okay, these are the gills, these are the gills. It is the mantle cavity, it is the mantle cavity. Okay, student, these are the gills. Student, tentacles. Tentacles are the sensory structures. Anterior part of the head shows the sensory structures called tentacles. Tentacles are sensory structures. These are the receptors for touch and the smell. Okay, these are the tentacles. Also helps in feeding. Also helps in feeding. Next, body cavity. Body cavity is also called hemocoel because it is totally filled with the blood. True coelom, that is the caecoelom, restrict to, limited to some amount of the internal organs. True coelom limited to kidneys, gonads, pericardial space. The space around the heart is called pericardial space. True coelom limited to kidneys, gonads, pericardial space. Body cavity is hemocoel. Why it is called hemocoel? That is the body cavity totally filled with the blood or the hemolymph, because it is called hemocoel, hemolymph. Hemocoel totally filled with the hemolymph. Okay, student. Next, radula. What about the radula? Buccal cavity contains a file-like rasping organ. Student, it is the digestive system of the body of molluscans. It is the opens to the anterior by the mouth and open to the outside by in the posterior, at the posterior, that is anus. It is the digestive tract. Mouth opens to outside, mouth leads to buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is with file-like rasping organ, which is helps in the cutting of the food particles. Okay, radula. It is the radula helps in feeding, and it is the radula is absent in bivalves. Radula absent in bivalves. Bivalves are the group of molluscans. In phylum Mollusca, bivalves are bivalves, that means these are the group of molluscans, group of animals having similar characters. Bivalves, in bivalves this radula is absent. Except bivalves, radula present in all molluscans. Next, circulation is open type. Circulation is open type. Closed type circulatory system present in cephalopods like annelids, like earthworm. Earthworm shows closed type circulatory system. Okay. In mollusca, in phylum Mollusca, cephalopods are the group of animals in phylum Mollusca. Cephalopods shows closed type circulatory system. Closed type circulatory system. Except cephalopods, all the molluscans shows open type circulatory system. Hemolymph, it is the blood of molluscans. Hemolymph contains copper containing respiratory pigment. Respiratory pigment, what is the function of the respiratory pigment? Respiratory pigment like structure present in the body circulatory system of the body, that is the respiratory pigment, carries the oxygen, helps in transport of oxygen from the respiratory part to the body tissues. Respiratory pigments helps in transport of the oxygen from the respiratory part to the body tissues to the body cells. That is respiratory pigment. Hemocyanin is the respiratory pigment. It is with the copper containing respiratory pigment, that is the hemocyanin present in the molluscans, blood of molluscans. Nervous system is with ganglia. Ganglia means group of the cell bodies. Next, commissures, that means connection between neurons. Connectives. Okay, student. Nervous system is with ganglia, commissures and connections. Connectives. Nervous system is with ganglia, commissures, connectives. Next, sense organs. Sense organs are tentacles, eyes, asperadium. Asperadium locates in the mantle cavity. Asperadium locates in the mantle cavity in body of molluscans. Tentacles, eyes, asperadium are the sensory structures. Tentacles, eyes, asperadium are the sensory structures. Test the purity of water. What is the function of asperadium? It tests the purity of the water, detects the purity of water. Okay, it is the molluscan, lives in the water, aquatic media, and by the presentation of the asperadium, it detects the purity of the water, surrounding water. And asperadium present in bivalves. Asperadium present in bivalves. Asperadium present in bivalves. In bivalves, radula is absent. Radula absent in bivalves. Bivalves only shows the asperadium. Next, excretory organs. Which are the excretory organs? Excretory organs are metanephridia. These are also called kidneys, renal organs, excretory glands. Excretory organs are metanephridia, kidneys, also called kidneys, metanephridia, also called kidneys, renal organs, excretory glands. What about the metanephridia? Annelids excretory structures, also metanephridia. Metanephridia are the excretory structures also present in mollusca. Okay, these are the metanephridia is with funnel shaped ciliated structure. Funnel shaped ciliated structure opens into the body cavity of the animal and receiving the nitrogenous wastages, waste products, excretory materials, excretory substance, and opens to outside. This is the structure. Metanephridia opens to outside from the body surface. These are excretory organs. Okay, student. Metanephridia with ciliated funnel shaped structure open into the body cavity and opening connect to the duct-like structure. Next, these are dioecious. These animals are dioecious, unisexual, gonochoric, also called sexually separate. These are the animals are sexually separate, also called gonochoric, unisexual, dioecious. That means these animals are sexually separated into male, female. Next, oviparous. These are the animals lays eggs, oviparous. Next, indirect development. Larva stage is present in the development. Zygote develops into the larva stage. Which one is the larva? Ciliated veliger larva. Ciliated veliger larva. It is the modification of the trochophore larva. Okay, student. Next examples: Pila, Pinctada, Sepia, Loligo. These are the scientific names. Apple snail, scientific name Pila. Pearl oyster, scientific name Pinctada. Cuttlefish, scientific name Sepia. Squid, scientific name Loligo.